What's going on YouTube? It's your boy Josh and we back at it again on the Kicks and Bricks channel. So your boy just finished uploading a few Lego time-lapse videos. You know, it's been a while that I did a lot of Lego time-lapse, so I decided to just put all those out first. But now I'm starting to get a backlog on sneaker reviews, so it's time to catch up, y'all. So today we're gonna start off with one of 4 sneakers that I have sitting here that I've had for a little bit. One of them I just got today, which is actually an early one because it releases in 2 days. So actually 1 day. So we'll get to that one soon enough. But before we do that, I want to make sure I sit here and thank y'all for continuing to subscribe to the channel, for continuing to tune into the videos, and for continue to like them and share them and whatnot, y'all. Appreciate y'all. I appreciate support. I'm still going to continue doing them until I see nobody sitting there and no clicks on the video. When that happens, that's when your boy will shut down. So I'm not saying though, I'm not encouraging that, but that's what I'm going to tell you. I'm going to keep popping them out as soon as as I'm able to throughout. So I will say that this coming December, October, November, December is going to be a busy one for your boy. So it's going to be very tough to cop some of these, yo. So all right, well, let's get to this sneaker review. This first sneaker that I have next to me, it is a sneaker that I got exclusive access on, which I was not expecting on. And to be quite honest, I was not really a fan of the sneaker in the first place. I copped because access was given to me and I could use it for trade bait later on, down the road or whatnot. So it was a collaboration sneaker, so it's pretty much always collab sneakers always pretty much sell out and whatnot, but I don't think it was very a favorable sneaker release. So but anyway, let's get to it, y'all. The sneaker I'm talking about right here, it's in this box right here. So let me show it to y'all right now. It is, boom, it's in this box. So if you know what's in this box already, you know what collab I'm talking about, y'all. So got the, what I do like about this collab is the box. The box is pretty dope so far. So all right, y'all, well, let me read this tag off. In front of me, we got the Women's Air Jordan 3 Retro OGSP. The color is black flat pewter. It's a size 11 in females, 9.5 in males. And ladies and gents, sneaker I have next to me is the Air Jordan 3 A Ma Maniere. They actually gave these like an extra nickname, While You Were Sleeping. Don't know. I didn't have time to look up why they labeled that While You Were Sleeping, but that's the name of it. And just like I thought. And I'll get to it where, in the up close and all that, why I really, and if you've been watching the channel long enough, you know why I don't like these. So if y'all check it out. Air Jordan 3 A Ma Maniere. So all right, so first glance, first impressions, long nappy hair. Nappy hair suede. Long hair. Hate it. And it just makes the sneaker, it ruins the sneaker for me completely. Everything else looks pretty dope, got the sail colorway on the sole, like so many sneakers have had in the last, couple years. Decent tumbled leather throughout the, and then the other thing that I'll get to it more, that is something that I didn't like about the previous AMaManiere 4 was the sole. So it looks like it's quilted and stuff, just like the 4. So again, 2 things that I don't like about it, but definitely the one that really would keep me from wearing these is the long nappy-haired long-haired nappy hair suede. That's what it is. I hate it. Oh, I hate the suede so badly. But so far so good. The rest of the sneaker is dope. It's something, like I said, I'm gonna keep it in the collection for trade bait. But You know what? Let me not give away any more details about it, because we're gonna get this in front of us. We're gonna get the up close and personal look at them. You guys are gonna be able to make your own choice on them if you haven't seen them yet. And of course, it's pretty late on this review, so probably a lot of you have already seen them. So, all right. Well, there's nothing more to it than to do it. Let's get this in front of the camera, get the up close personal look, going on it, and so y'all can take it from there, y'all. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all. Here we got the Air Jordan 3 A Ma Maniere while you were sleeping. That is a hell of a long of a nickname. There's a lot of words in that for no reason. But hey, like I said, exclusive pair trade bait sneaker cop for y'all. All right, well, let's crack them open. And I should have started this way so y'all can see the elaborate packaging of this box. So dope, so dope. Of course, you guys know that Nike does own Converse, so you got the Converse on there, got the Jordan, got the Nike, and of course A Ma Maniere in the front. I love these flaps. That's definitely, if anything, the packaging is my whole favorite thing out of this whole release right here. So you got nice little flip up tab for the box, nice little dust cloth in there, then some more paper here to get the sneaker out, and then that's pretty much it to the packaging. So definitely I'm more of a fan of the packaging than a feature on the sneaker. So let's close the box up so we can get the sneakers in front of us, and y'all can see why I don't like them that much. So yep, dope, thick material box. So all right, let's get the sneakers out in front of us. Boom, boom. All right, y'all, like I said before, if you've been watching the channel long enough, you know I am not a fan of that right there. The nappy, long-haired, freaking suede. Oh man, it's just a terrible, 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 terrible suede to use on a sneaker, y'all. But other than that, look at that tumbled leather on the tongue, and look at that nice tumbled leather on the toe with the wax laces. Right here, they come with 2 extra pairs of laces. We've got that burgundy color pair right there, and we also have the sail pair, I believe. Yep, it's the sail pair. So we got 2 extra pairs of laces that come with the sneaker, along with the wax pair that comes on it. My other not so favorite thing about this sneaker is the insole. The insole has like this quilted material on there, and to me, if you got sweaty feet or get sweaty feet, that's your main enemy right there. And you're gonna be sliding all over the place because there's no grip on it on the sides. Man, I don't know. I don't think I'll ever wear these anyway, so I don't think I'll ever see get to test my theory out. But I definitely don't like the way those are right there. So all right, other than that, the sneaker is pretty good. I mean, the sail is definitely dope, but that's a darker sail. I don't know if that's what it meant by the pewter color, but that's definitely a darker sail if it is for the sneaker right here than the typical lighter sail colorway we see on other sneakers, y'all. We got the tab, the heel tab, Nike Air, which I think it's dope that they did that, but because this is not really a retro, I think it would have been okay with the with the Jordan on the back. So yep, other than that, the sneaker is pretty dope. Nice little hang tag and a cardboard hang tag with the A Ma Maniere on there. While you were asleep, I don't know why they named it that, and I don't even have enough interest to sit there and look it up. So y'all, let me know what y'all think about the sneaker. Let me know if y'all passed, if y'all copped, if y'all doubled up, because these were pretty. Even though I got these on exclusive access, they were hanging around for a while after they released. So let me know what y'all thought about them. Let me know if you copped, double copped, passed, think they're good, think they're horrible like I do. Like I said, it's not totally horrible. Just the freaking suede annoys the crap out of me, y'all. All right, y'all. Well, let's get back in front of this camera so we can get our final thoughts and comments on the sneaker, and we'll take it from there, y'all. All right, let's get it. All right, y'all. That was the review for the Air Jordan 3 A Ma Maniere while you were sleeping. I mean, the quality ain't half bad. You know, definitely a good collab. Definitely a good looking sneaker. Just that one feature that I'm gonna keep saying over and over again. That long hair nappy suede. I hate it. I hate it. So, anyway, let me know what y'all thought about the sneaker. Let me know what you thought about this review. Let me know in the comment section if there's a, you know, y'all going for these, or y'all went for these, or y'all missed them these. If y'all want to buy them from me, let me know. I'll sell them to you. Or we'll trade something up or whatnot. But definitely not a fan of these. They will never probably touch my feet. So, all right, y'all. Well, thank you for sticking through the video. Thanks for, you know, stopping by and checking the video out. Make sure you hit that like button, please, and make sure you hit a comment up, and make sure you share and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Well, it's not enough to say other than it's your boy Josh. We on the Kicks and Bricks channel. We got the Air Jordan 3 A Ma Maniere while you were sleeping. That's a mouthful too. It's crazy. Keep it locked in, and until next time, holla at your boy.